Whenever tough financial times kick in, what they used to tell us in law school is that what you normally will see is a trend towards an increase in lawsuits. Now, I want you to understand that just because I'm saying that, I'm not implying that people will go out and file frivolous lawsuits. But it just tends to be the trend that whenever you have a situation where people lose their jobs, there is a tough economic hardship or something like that tends to happen. One of the trends that you will start to notice is an increase in lawsuits. When it comes to the coronavirus, there's two types of lawsuits that may actually present themselves: workers' compensation and personal injury. For those of you who don't know, workers' compensation is typically to be compensated for an injury and illness that you incurred while you were in the workplace. So if you were working and maybe you slipped and fell in the workplace in the course of doing your job, or if you got hurt working in a particular environment and so forth, most states will have some type of laws, or even federal, that allows for the opportunity for an employee to be compensated as a result of an injury that they sustained or an illness that they sustained in the workplace. Personal injury is a different standpoint. That operates under the guise that you have sustained some type of injury or illness as a result of something that may have been caused more normally by negligence by the individual. So think of a grocery store where you go into the grocery store and there's water on the aisle and so forth, and somebody slips and falls and hurts themselves. Or maybe a car accident where somebody caused you to be hurt. The other reason why this is important is because when you're talking about workers' comp and personal injury, you're also focusing on particular parties. A workers' comp injury or illness, you're looking at the employer. A personal injury, you may look at individuals, you may look at businesses, and in some instances, you may even look at the governments, whether they be county, state, local, or federal.